Oh my Lord, that feels so good. That feels so good. Oh my Lord. Yeah, that was so tight. That was perfect. Wow. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh my goodness. It's like a god. This is so good. Oh my Lord. Man, that's so amazing. Like, seriously. I mean, like, I couldn't even do this. I couldn't. It was so tight. Wow. Amazing. Oh, that's awesome. Wow.
In and out.
Oh my goodness. That feels so good. Oh. Wow. That was so much pressure right there. I can go to sleep. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, that feels so good. Oh my goodness, like, wow, this was so good. That was awesome.
Great.
Yeah, that was good. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Yes, that was all the areas. Wow, this was so good. Wow, I can't believe you just popped that. Like, this side was so tight.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What? Wow. I didn't expect that. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Wow, that was awesome. I could go to sleep. I feel so relaxed. Oh man, that was great. That was really great.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh my Lord. Oh my God, that felt so good. It was like, oh my God, that I've never felt this. Oh my Lord. Oh man, you are amazing. Wow. I mean, like, it felt like every bone in my spine. Wow. So good. That was good. Oh man, I can literally go to sleep. That was really good. Like, I felt every bone feel like on my spine pop. That was good. Wow.